Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can convert image to text in Microsoft Word. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, open up your Microsoft Word application and you can create new document and you have to import or insert the image you want to convert. We can click on the insert menu and select pictures, and I'm going to add image from my device. Okay, I'm going to add this image. Alright, and wait guys, I'm going to crop it like this. Okay, and after that we can go to the color. You can select color and I'm gonna go with this one. And we're going to customize the sharpness and the brightness. You can right click on the image and click on format picture, and you have to select this icon and select pictures corrections, and I'm going to increase the sharpness, okay, and the brightness as well, around 40. Okay, and after that we're going to save this image as PDF file. You are going to click on the file and then save as, and I'm going to place it in my download folder. I'm just going to name it document. Okay, and you can choose PDF and click on save. Okay, and I'm going to go back to my Word. I'm going to delete this image and we're going to click on view. Just click on view. Okay, and choose outline. And you have to select show document and select insert. And you have to insert the PDF file we have just saved. Click on the PDF file and click on open. And you have to click on OK. And after that, you just need to wait until the converting process has completed. And as you can see guys, now the image has been converted to text, and we'll be able to edit this text in this Word. Alright guys, and that's all the way to convert image to text in Microsoft Word. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.